Oh, why hello, Batman. Why don't you come and join me?
I can't join you. I'm sad all the time. I live in a cave.
Well, if you were with me, you wouldn't be so sad now, would you, Batsy? Oh, hello. I didn't see you pop in. Here's my card. Well, anyway, today we're going to be opening a mystery box. Oh, I do love a good mystery. From the one and only LockSmith Comics, Skeleton Key. I bet you he has lots of skeletons in his closet, eh? Come along, won't you?
The Jimmy Chungas, having fun, getting nerdy, fly with Adrian 8 p.m. Also known as Solid High, the comic guy. Boom, pow, got pops like Funker, how you laughing now? Eating comics for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A real winner, like DP and Spidey, talking about other superheroes. Let's open some mystery boxes and celebrate weirdos. Imagination never ends, united through comics, we all friends.
Kiddos. So glad you could come back. So, let's open it up. And for his sake, let's hope it's something the Joker likes. Oh, I do love a good mystery box. Oh, what's this painter's tape? It's all over my fingers. Holly! Get me something for my fingers. Pardon me. Oh, she's a hot tot, isn't she? All right. Here we go. I'm not looking at them. That wouldn't be a surprise now, would it? Oh, look at that right there. Ooh. If it isn't Black Adam. Look at me. I already look like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Ooh, what's this? Turtle 67? I don't know what it is. What's up next? Ooh, Stranger Things. I've seen Stranger Things in the Upside Down. Next, please. What's this? Infinity Gauntlet number 2. Let's all stare at a screen. Where's Thanos when you need him to snap his fingers, huh? And the last one. Ooh. Spider-Man 2099. Well, I don't know about you, but I'd say it's an alright mystery. I'm not saying it's grand or great or anything. Because the only thing grand is me capturing the Batman. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. And remember to like and subscribe. It's so easy. You just click a button. Click the button, please. Google already knows everything about you. Anyway, have yourself a great day. And remember to smell the roses.